Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions and welcome to this video demonstration using the LSP Botanical Branch Overlays and Florals for Photoshop. I'm just going to give you a super quick demonstration using this gorgeous image, top-down image by Ana Brandt. So you want to locate your downloaded florals on your computer and you can use the actions to apply, or you can literally drag and drop. For this one I'm going to use the peachy pink framer scene, so I'm just going to drop this in and resize to suit the image. And there we go. It is that simple. Before and after. Before and after. Absolutely beautiful. And you can use the actions included if you wanted to mask these further. For example, lighten up. I think that looks even nicer, like lit up like this. Really, really pretty. Really simple and really very effective. And they've already got all the blur included. So I hope you love these. You can find all the other tutorials on the LSP Actions website, as well as these in the Botanical collections. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.